Hello, friends, I am back. So, topic for today is the power of not giving up. Have you ever felt that things are not going according to you? Have you ever felt that everyone and everything is against you? Have you ever felt that you know whatever you wanted, you're not getting it? Whatever you're manifesting, you're not getting it? Or maybe situations are always adverse. Job is not good, relationships are not good, family life is not good, money problems, financial issues, personal and professional issues. Yes, we all go through it. And in today's competitive world, we always have to be in competition or be ahead of someone else. So there is always someone else who can take your position. So you have to be updated, you have to be on your toes, you have to learn new things, and if you don't, things will take a step back, or you'll go on a back foot. So in such situations you feel like giving up, or when things are not according to you, you feel like giving up, especially when there are family issues, or when there are personal level of issues, you feel very low. I could relate to my friends when they told me that there were family issues with them, and things were not really good. And staying in such situation on a daily basis, facing those situations on a daily basis, becomes so stressful. It is very stressful. And I have done counseling of some of my friends, and they were about to give up. And trust me, I have also gone through the situation. Even I felt that things are not according to me, or everything is going against me. My job, my personal life, my everything, whatever I did was always taking a toll. And yes, there were times when I used to say that I'm done with things, I'm done with people, I'm done with situation, and I'm about to give up. So I'm giving up. I've many times said that. But that supreme power, trust on that supreme power. There is some power who is guarding you, who is behind you, who wants you to get up and get going, and just ask for help. In such situation, when things are just against you, everything is not working out, you are fed up and you just want to give up. You know what I mean? You just want to go somewhere. This is a common sentence that everyone uses. I feel like going somewhere far, far away, where there is no mobile, no connectivity, and I just want to disconnect with people and everyone around me, and I just never want to come back. Maybe I want to go to a new city, a new country, a new place where people don't know me. So when do you feel so? When is the situation you feel so? When things are piled up, when things are against you, when nothing is working out, and when you expect from people around you to support you, they're not supporting you. So what should we do in such situation? We should be calm. We should ask the supreme power to help us. We should ask that almighty. Some force is there which will help you, which will guide you. Just keep on asking. Have you always observed that small children, when they want a candy or a ice cream, they continuously ask for it? I want ice cream, I want ice cream, I want ice cream. So ask your God, ask your supreme power, ask for help, ask them. Things are not going again according to me. Please help me. I need help. I need help. Please help me, and trust me. Not immediately, might be immediately you'll get help, but after some point you will get help. And I'm talking this from a personal experience. When I asked for something, or when I asked for help, I got help. I somehow, some people connected with me. My old friends called me, and there was some guiding experience I got. So always trust the almighty. Ask for help. there is nothing wrong. That Almighty has given you life, that Almighty has given you everything you needed, that Almighty might have given you difficult situations, but then what is expected from you is you need to be calm. You need to go through that situation. Sometimes we need, all we can do is just go and pass that situation. There is nothing else you can do. I few years back I felt stuck in life. So everything was like stuck. My job, my personal life, my relationships, everything I felt was stuck. There is no outlet or outcome. So there was nothing I could do. So what I did was I always asked for help. I continuously asked my supreme power, my God, to help me, to guide me. And trust me, it works like wonders. It works like crazy. This is the best remedy to be successful in life. Trust me. If you want anything, ask God. And if it is correct for you, if it is appropriate for you, you will definitely get it. So ask when a child asks his or her parents that I want this. There is no ego, right? There should not be any ego. That child is so pure, and so his intentions are so naive and pure that he gets it. So ask for help, ask for guidance, ask God that please pass this situation, please let me pass through this situation calmly, please give me strength to conquer this situation, please give me guidance, I need guidance, please give me people who are positive and who are supportive and who are encouraging. And trust me, you will get it. If it is correct for you, if it is right for you, you will get it. So do that, ask. You just try it out. Ask for one wish which is very feasible and which is reachable. Ask for it. I asked for a job which was relaxing for me. The manager I wanted was very chilled out and very supportive. The team I wanted was very nice, supportive, without any politics. And I wanted a work from home culture. And trust me on this, I got it because my intentions were pure, because I wanted to be with my father, because there were situations where I wanted to be at home and wanted to support it. I just got it. So trust me on this, whatever you wish, but of course, your intentions matter, your purity matters. How pure are you with your intentions? Is it harming anybody? Is it not good for you or your family? If you ask for a BMW car, and what if you know there is some accident or some mishap is about to happen? God will never give it to you. Then never uh, lose your trust on God. Never lose your trust on people around you. There are things, sometimes a child asks for ice cream, but what if his teeth gets decay? So it's very important that what God will give you, trust his timings, trust his intentions. Your God is your father, your mother, your sister, your brother, everything. So whenever you feel like giving up, whenever you feel like giving up, just chant anything, chant your God's name, ask for help, and trust me, you will pass that situation very smoothly. God will give you strength. There are times when you feel like no, nothing is working out, I just need to just end everything. Don't do that. Ask for help. Ask for help to your people. Ask to help for your hard times. So always do that. Never give up. Giving up is for losers. It's a very common statement, but trust me, when you pass that situation, you can tell people that yes, I have been through tough times, I have been through difficult situations, there were situations where things were not working out for me, but yes, I passed it with flying colors, I passed it with you know very good outcome was there. So always trust God. This is the first thing. And if you're a non-believer in God, at least you can believe in the nature, right? There is some nature or something, some force which is helping you out. Our body is a miracle. Our body is a miracle. If you observe, how are we breathing automatically? How are we speaking? How are we seeing things? How are we listening? This is a miracle. It's working on its own. There is no plug where you can plug it and your device starts. No, it's everything is happening naturally. So trust that there is some force out there which is guiding you, which is helping you, and there is something going on. So trust that you know there are things which you cannot see. Can we see air? But no, we can breathe it, we can feel it, right? Similarly, can you see electricity? No, but you can see the light is switched on. You can see that there is some kind of force. Similarly, there is some kind of force that is there. Your guiding angels are there. Ask for help to your angels. What are angels? They are guiding forces. They are some kind of energies created by God, which are there to help you, which are there to talk to you, understand you, understand your problems, and let you go through that situation and pass that difficult times in in a good way. So do that. Ask for help. Ask for strength. Asking for strength going through that situation will help you overcome difficult times, and trust me, it works like wonders. It works like crazy. It works like you will be amused that magic happens when you trust that magic can happen. I have a very good example for you, that there was this person who went to a doctor and got medicines for something, and he took the medicines for 1 month. And later on, when he went to the doctor, there was some another doctor, and the doctor said that the pills that were given to you are not supportive. I mean, those are totally different pills. I don't know how come the doctor gave you that pills and you got cured. So this was a miracle, because that person believed that this pill that I'm taking is for my good health, and I'll be cured by this pill. And he got cured even if the medicine was wrong. Imagine, this is the power of belief, this is the power of trust, this is the power of having faith. Have faith. There are things that you cannot see, but you can feel. You can feel some bad energies, you can feel some wrong intentions. You can do especially women have that power. They can feel energies, they can feel bad touch, they can feel bad intentions of the other person. I think we are god gifted, thanks to my god or our god, that we can do that. So have that trust, have that faith. You will go through it, you will go through your difficult situations very smoothly if you ask for help. Ask continuously, keep on asking, keep on asking. Ask for help, ask for help. You will go through it. Trust me, you will have a very great time after you have passed that situation. I hope you find this useful, and please let me know in the comments what you feel. Thank you. Bye bye.